This is Greg at Best Choice Trailers. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around an AMO 7x18 9990 GVW equipment trailer with stand-up ramps. I'm going to take you for a walk around the trailer, show you some of the standard features. So this trailer is one of our more price-oriented units that we carry in stock. Just to give you an idea, current market price on something like this is going to be about $3,300. It's 9990 GVW, weighs about 2,400 empty. It's going to have a net legal payload of about 76 plus your tongue weight. So starting out up front, trailer's got a 2 5/16 inch coupler. It's got a 7K top wind jack. Notice on the 7K jacks, of course, you got your grease zert. One nice thing that we like about the AMO, they make the jack a bolt-on, so it's easily replaceable if you were to damage it. Of course, you got your safety chains. Now, for those not familiar with the drop leg jack, you'd simply pull the pin there. You got an inner leg that's going to come down, so that's going to be your adjustment that's going to get you most of the way. Then you can also adjust, of course, your inner leg via your top wind jack. Okay, so you got a lot of adjustment, keeps you from having to have a wood block or similar laying around to get it off your truck. So like most 10K equipment trailers, this trailer's got a 5-inch channel. Now this is a full wrap tongue. Full wrap tongue gives you a little bit more strength in this 3-4 foot section behind where the angle breaks off on the outside there. Mainframe's also a 5-inch channel. Okay, they've got the new bullet LEDs for lights. They've got stake pockets going down the side, treated 2x8 lumber. Another nice feature we like about the AMO, they use a almost like a carriage bolt head for your lumber. Little detail, but holds up a lot better than your traditional trailer hardware. Another thing you don't normally see, again, at this price point, be your removable fenders. If you damage the fender, or if you just need to take it off the side load material, you can do that. Brakes on both axles are also standard. These have the new Easy Lube hubs. Again, your sealed beam LED lights. Trailer has a 2-foot beaver tail. Then you've got a 5-foot stand-up equipment ramp. Trailer's also got the integrated knee, gives support while you're loading. Then it's got the tri-marker LED at the back rear. Trailer like this would be ideal for bobcat, small mini excavators. 40-50 horse compact tractor would be ideal for something like this. It does come in other lengths. We stock it in a 16-foot. You can also get it in an available 20-foot length. We've also got a handful of other manufacturers in stock. One thing we like about AMO at this particular price point, a lot of your more economical price point type trailers are going to have just an acrylic enamel paint. This particular unit has a primer followed up by a urethane top coat. For those familiar with urethane, a lot better paint than you'd get on an acrylic. Urethane is what's on a lot of your livestock trailers that would see horse urine, and more of your higher end trailers. Higher end manufacturers such as like a Cam Superline and a Corn Pro, they use a urethane paint. So again, something you wouldn't normally see at this price point. If you have any questions on this or any of our other trailers, give us a ring, 717-220-4220, or visit us on the web at bestchoicetrailers.com.